Hello, in this video, we will see definition and characteristics of management. Let's first start with defining the term management. As per the definition given by Mary Parker Follett, management is the art of getting things done through the people. Is this the right definition of management? This is not a universally accepted definition, as it fails to highlight functions of manager, ignore human aspect and treat people as only means of getting things done, ignores the scientific aspects of management given by F.W. Taylor. It does not define the role of internal and external environment. So, the correct definition of management is: management is the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of activities and using resources of an organization for accomplishment the organizational goal effectively and efficiently in an ever-changing environment, which means management is a combination of planning, organizing, directing, controlling in order to achieve our predetermined goal. So, next we'll see 5 M's of management. The success of any business depends upon proper and efficient management. In management, 5M plays very important role. So let's see what are they. First, method. Method, that means right method of doing things, is very important. Next M is for materials. Optimum utilization of available material is very important in the management process. Next M is for machinery. Machinery means tools which are required for the proper working of organization. Next M is for money. Without financial resources or money, no organization can function. And last and most important, M is for man. Without manpower, no organization can function effectively and efficiently. So these are the 5 M's of management which are very important for the success of any business concern. So next we'll see the characteristics of the management. First characteristic of management is universal, which means all the organization, whether it is profit making organization or non-profit making organization, they require management for managing their activity, and so it is universal in nature. Next characteristics is goal oriented, which means every organization is set up or established with a predetermined objective, and management helps in achieving those goals in proper time. Next characteristics is continuous process, which means it is an ongoing process which tends to persist as long as organization exists. It is required everywhere in the organization, whether it is production, human resources, finance or marketing, everywhere it needed. Multidimensional. So that means management is not confined to the administration of people only, but it also manages work, processes and operation, which makes it a multidisciplinary activity. Next characteristic is group activity, which means an organization consists of various members of who have different need, different expectations and beliefs. Every person joins the organization with a different motive, but after becoming a part of organization, they work for achieving the same goal. It requires supervision, teamwork, and coordination, and in this way, management comes into the picture. Next characteristics is dynamic function, which means an organization exists in a business environment that has various factors like social, political, legal, technological, and economical. A slight change in any of these factors will affect the organizational growth and performance. So, to overcome these changes, management formulates strategies and implements them. Next and last characteristics of management is intangible force, which means management can neither be seen nor touched, but one can feel its existence in the way the organization functions. So, all the functions, activity, and processes of organization are interconnected to one another, and it is the task of the management to bring them together in achieving the predetermined goal. So, friends, I hope you understand the meaning of management and various characteristics of the management. Thank you.